Well, my name is Clark Lubin. The name of our company is Herba Santé, Importation Herba Santé. We are based in Montreal, and our company is specialized in homeopathic remedies. We actually not only we import our own products, but we also create our own products. So the lab is based in Montreal. One of the unique things about our company is that most of the things that you find here are Canadian made, so nothing is imported. As well, we also specialize in mycotherapy, which is mushroom remedies. We have different complex of mycotherapy and as well a complex of single mushroom remedies. So this is, one of our specialty at Herba Santé. More and more and more, I think people are much more educated than they were before. I think one of the philosophies that we have at Herba Santé is that we believe that at least every 6 months you should have an entire detox of your body, most of your emunctories, which is the filters of your bodies. I think, the information is so vast now via the internet, books, and different type of news media. People are aware of what's going on. So a show like this one, having clients come in and see us, I think they're ready and they know what they want. So it makes it easy for us to introduce our products and explain to them what exactly it is. And since we specialize in homeopathic remedy, in our case, most of them are not really familiar with homeopathy, but they want to know and understand what it is exactly, and if you could provide a detox plan for them. So I think the West Coast is very educated when it comes to well-being, wellness, natural products, and so forth. What the East Coast have that the West Coast doesn't probably. I think the East Coast is more into homeopathy than the West Coast is. And the reason why is because homeopathy is from Europe. And obviously in Quebec, you have a very, very key French population that understand it and also know about it more than the West Coast. But more and more and more, they familiarize themselves with homeopathy. They believe in it as well, and they also make sure to educate themselves about homeopathy. But I have to say, it's not as big as it is in Montreal, And that's the reason why we're here today. So on the show, it's almost 8 years now. It's useful because if I compare it to the wellness shows that we have in Eastern Canada, Montreal, and Quebec or Ontario, this show it's much better. There's more people that come to the show, and one thing that I'm really surprised is that it repeats itself. We all see the same people every year that comes and talks about our products and buy the products as well, and they buy a lot, which makes me very surprised. So every year that we come here, we have to add more supply in our inventory just for the demand. So I'm very, very, very impressed. We're very educated and always ready to learn, and they're very open-minded as well, which makes it fun for us because it's long because we have to come here by it's a 6-hour plane. It's not an easy show, but it's fun to see that the clients that come here, the people that come here are open, and it makes it fun for us basically.